Hi everyone, it's Susan Stewart, professional organizer and owner of Perfectly Placed, and you are watching day 5 of spicing up your dinner hour during quarantine. So I hope you've been trying some of our tips and having fun with your family, and we'd love to hear your stories and see how you are getting through this time and also making memories at the same time. Last night, our family tried 20 questions, and we had a lot of fun doing that one. So I hope you give some of these ideas a try as well. So today's idea is back to the littles. The last few have been focused on something you can do with older kids or adults, and this one is for the little people. And it is called Crazy Hat Night. So you can all choose a crazy hat and all come to dinner with a crazy hat. Now, you could take it a step further and dress up, wear a whole outfit, but I'm just imagining spaghetti sauce spilled all over those princess costumes, and I'm thinking that is not a good idea. So you might want to just stick with the silly hats and see if it brings out your silly side. I think the kids will have a lot of fun with it. This was one that we did with our kids when they were young, and if a visitor showed up to have dinner with us on Crazy Hat Night, they got to choose a crazy hat too. So enjoy, and we'll see you tomorrow.